leash on a chicken.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'll put this under here. This bird's an attack bird, so we have to be careful. Okay, we got one. There's one. Pick up your other wing. It's okay. Oh! Oh! That's my birdie. Don't bite. Be nice. Now we got a leash. We're going to take you for a walk, okay? We're going to put... I think it goes... Oh, it goes right here. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Okay, let's go down.
First time on a leash.
Come on, Hirsch. How's it look? Hershey, come on. I don't know if it's under her husband's picky, is it? Let me see. Wait a minute. It's not fixed. Hold on. Okay, now we got it. Okay, now it's tangled around his foot. Come on, Hershey. Come on, Hershey. Come on.
And that's it. That's how you put a leash on a chicken.
Now how to get him to walk is another whole story. How's my birdie? Come on. Come on, Hershey.
Needs to be taught to heel.
We'll follow you.
Okay, and that winds it up. First time on a leash.
We'll go under there.